Want to know the secrets to making your first million before 30? It's not impossible. It's just about knowing the right strategies. In this video, we'll show you how you can make your first million in your 20s, step by step. Step 1. Don't rely on just one income stream. The fastest way to grow your wealth in your 20s is by building multiple sources of income. Whether it's a side hustle, freelancing, starting a business, or even investing, having more than one way to earn money allows you to build wealth faster. Young millionaires are hustling in every direction. You can start small, but the key is to keep stacking those income streams. Step 2. Invest early and let compound interest work its magic. When you're in your 20s, time is your biggest asset. Investing early, even small amounts, can lead to huge results thanks to compound growth. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or other investments, the earlier you start, the bigger the payoff. Start by learning how to invest in things like the stock market, index funds, or real estate. Every dollar you put in today is building your million for tomorrow. Step 3. Take calculated risks. Your 20s are the perfect time to embrace high-risk, high-reward opportunities. Whether it's starting a business, investing in cryptocurrencies, or launching an innovative idea, the key to wealth is taking bold but smart risks. You have time on your side to recover from failures. Remember, no risk, no reward. Start now and learn from every step. Every failure is a stepping stone to success. Step 4. Live below your means. Even if you're earning more, don't fall into the trap of spending more. Young millionaires know that every dollar saved and invested is another step closer to financial freedom. Keep your expenses low and focus on growing your assets, not liabilities. Remember, wealth isn't about what you show off. It's about what you build behind the scenes. Step 5. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with successful people who push you to the next level. Learn from mentors, attend networking events, and never stop improving your skills. The people you know and the knowledge you gain will be your greatest assets in making your first million. Stay curious, stay hungry, and never stop growing. Millionaires are made by those who never stop learning. Making your first million in your 20s is possible. It's all about strategy, discipline, and mindset. What's stopping you from starting today?